Boom. Mr. Lover Lover. They call me Mr. Boombastic. I'll play with you people. Viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. I keep on telling you, you don't know the things said people. Press up on yourself when I sat there, but you know my style already. One bag of one in the one. And I gotta give you these daily updates. You see me, I say, but now I gotta lie. Sad news. Them just find Millie and body. You see me, I say, the 5-year-old that drowned, trying to cross the border with her mother. Skeng them respond to being banned from Guyana. You see me, I say, the angel this the dolly them. Leon Bailey allegedly pushed woman. People are bare bagga, just hit the like button from now. And let's get into it. And don't forget to share. Where I try to reach broader audience. But anyway, people, I have to start off with my girl SHENSEEA because I'm not gonna lie to you. SHENSEEA has been on my mind, Not for the reasons that I think. Get your mind out the gutter. But I know that Summer Jam is this weekend, and a few days ago I was like, I wonder if SHENSEEA is on the lineup. I was actually trying to find a flyer or anything with her saying that she's gonna be on Summer Jam, but I couldn't, so that's why we never do the review. You see me, I say, and this is why I do the review, no, because at 97 put up the thing. You know what I mean? So it's definitely a good look for SHENSEEA. I see that's why she was working on some new moves, because she have European tour and she have performed for the Pride people them in a couple of weeks. But I actually want to see her perform at Summer Jam. I want to see her performance, whether she does good or bad. This is fear type of crowd, you know what I mean? Summer Jam is more black crowd, you know what I mean? Because I get the people think. Even though some white people are good there. So the people them should more know her songs, I don't know what song she's going to be singing, but it would be interesting to see, you know what I mean? It's definitely a good look for her. Summer Jam is a big deal. It's immersive. Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. Just to give you an update with Wagwan, with the Lodi girl. Ja. It look like Skeng is in hot water again with the law, but this time not in Jamaica, in Guyana. It's such a shame he was getting so much love in Trinidad. Well, there, yeah, you see me, I say. But anyway, I'm going to give you my verdict on this situation because honestly, I think it's unfair, and I think this is reminding me of another dancehall artist. But like I said, Skeng is being banned from Guyana because, that when he was performing, unfortunately, them let off some shot in the air. You see me, I say, and people get trampled and this, that, and the third. You know what I mean? So now they're trying to put the blame on him for all of that. You see me, I say. And they're actually trying to ban his music too because he's saying it's making Guyana look bad and all of this stuff and stuff. But anyway, before we get to anything further, let's listen to what so they're saying Mr. Douglas, because him name Kevin Douglas, musical expression is merely an artistic expression and nothing more. He has performed in several cities prior to and subsequent to the incident in Guyana, and we have not received the kind of response that was received in Guyana. The statement read, highlighting that the incident also left the artist vulnerable to immense danger, and there's proof of that because the Guyanese people them was making fun of Skeng on Facebook, as we can see right here. I don't know if I him let off the shot, but them say him did I try one, and there you can see Skeng in at the airport, and them say them on the beard and all of them thing there, enough the runway. So that's why the people them is saying our team was placed in danger and had to take precaution to ensure that we were not injured. We are of the view that the security measures that were put in place could have been more stringent in order to prevent the gunplay and the other acts of violence. Skeng management was responding to statement made by Guyana's security minister, Robert Benson, that you see on the right. On Friday said no artist like Skeng will ever come again into this country under the signature of any person from the Ministry of Home Affairs or from the Guyana Police. You see me answer? And they're talking dancehall artists. You see me answer? Because I know I couldn't reggae artists, so I mean, for other young dancehall artists that's watching this, I mean, and they fix up on the catalog, you see me I say, and they fix up on the image. And then shut the bad man them from run, you see me I say, and if I start move like, yeah, Jay-Z and 50 Cent and shut the bad man them run, and get this cheddar. I'll make sure they're secure and I can be able to help them, you know what I mean? But like I said, they're trying to ban his songs from the airwaves in Guyana. You know what I mean? It's such a shame that the Young Dancehall Act is involved in them passa in some early ages of their career. But it's a good thing it's their early stages them can learn from this. But like I said, this reminds me of Tammy Lee. When they looked at Island, they tried ban Tammy Lee and all of these things, I think he ended up suing them and won some money because they illegally deported him. You see me I say? Skeng might have a possible lawsuit against Guyana for putting his life in danger and all of these things, I mean, it's not the artist them fault, you see me I say? It's Guyana's fault for not having proper security and all of these things, you know what I mean? I don't know why them people didn't feel safe to bring guns in a them place there. You know what I'm saying? But you can't blame dancehall artists for that. You see me? I say it must be a political agenda. Forget votes and all them shit there. You see me? I say, dancehall is always the scapegoat. You see me? You know what I mean? Big up all the people them in the Guyana too. And I go on like say Guyana people not get busy. But I'm just like give them update while I go on from another go on Skeng team response. So let's proceed. Well, people, we have some sad news, Them just find the body of a 5-year-old. 5-year-old child while crossing the border, Even though they didn't give no names, a lot of people is saying it's the mother, the Jamaican mother, you see me I say? Because the article, as you can see, the statement you see in front of you, said the mother stated that she had handed her child to an unknown individual in the group and was last seen in the vicinity of the Morales Dam near California. I can't pronounce the name. Agents immediately responded to the area to search for the missing child and ultimately discovered a child in the Colorado River. The Imperial County Sheriff Office declared the child deceased, took custody of the body, and will be investigating the incident along with CBP. You see me, I said, why people? Like I said, we're not the people that been saying is the little girl based off what they're saying, Said the police them is gonna do an autopsy on the girl because who knows if I really drone, because you can't be leaving your kids with strangers. You see me, I say, especially, no disrespect, but them Spanish people, them Mexican, them crazy, you know what I mean? So I don't want to say what I want to say, but I can imagine what a sick kid would do to a little child. You know what I mean? So we don't know if the child drowned, so that's why the police them said they might investigate it. You see me answer. Also, said they're kidnapping people's pitney too, these smugglers. As you can see, this was just a couple of days ago, you know what I mean? When I actually read this article, I thought it was Baby Million, but obviously she's not 1 year old. You see me, I said, but a mother who was crossing the border get through, and when she got through, she told the border patrol people that, they took her baby. You know what I mean? You see me, I said, but it's a good thing that the border patrol was able to find the child, because I say if they never find the child gone upon the sex market. You know what I mean? That's why I said these sickos. So, whoever is crossing the border, and I have to make sure, and the link legit. You know what I mean? Because anything can happen out there, the wild, wild west, you see me, I say. I'm just give you that update that it look like say them find million body drawn allegedly. You know, we have to wait to see what the autopsy say. So let's proceed. Now, footballer, soccer player, whatever you want to call him, Leon Bailey is seen. I don't want to say pushing somebody that wanted him to sanitize himself before entering the store, but as you can see with your own eyes, the disrespect, you know what I mean? And this is an individual who was thanking God what they for saving his life, his son's life, and his wife's life after a meet up in a car accident. And then for see this footage of him disrespecting God's children. You know what I mean? Oh, him never know, says she was one of the people them. Did I pray for him and all of this stuff? Me telling about them artists here and them celebrities here who feel like them better than poor people, you know. You know what I mean? I don't know what she said to him, but it was said that he never want to sanitize himself before. You know what I mean? Boy. I'm waiting to see what them have to say. You know, this is very disrespectful. You know what I mean? Very disrespectful. You know what I'm saying? Maybe she never recognized him, you know? Maybe she never recognized was a big millionaire, famous footballer. You see me asking? You know what I mean? Them the type of thing that piss me off, you know? You know what I'm saying? Piss me off. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's very disrespectful. So we just let you know what go on from one to go on. Put in the comment section what you think about that behavior there. You know what I mean? And let's proceed. You know what I mean? We need Leon Bailey to come say, I know him in the video. Because we don't know if I him. We just say what the people that must say out there. You know what I mean? So we need to hear from Leon Bailey, you know, and what really transpired if it was him. What make him have to push the lady out of the way like that and just walk through the lady like she's nobody, not even a human being. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Had a government that was committed to the people, they would have said to the backside company, you can access.
And Jaja, I don't really know what the angel is doing, but I'm just a messenger, and the fans them said the angel has a lot of projects coming out, so she's taking shots at everybody. And the Dolly them seems to be her latest target. You see me, I said, you don't know all the things said people. The angel made it clear when she was cutting clear, you know, Spice. She said that the Dolly them, Spice ex-dancers, was sussing and talking about her and all type of thing. Who know, who don't. Ask somebody in the comment section for enlighten on it. You see me? So like she said, I'm a goddess. Them I fight the Dolly. But I am a goddess. You see me? I say, I don't know who she talking about fighting the Dolly or what. Like I said, I'm just a messenger. And the messenger is saying that the sender said, she had this donkey teeth Dolly and dancing shitty peppers. You see me? I say, cause you know, last week she did sub Spice by saying that Spice have batch body and all of these stuff. And now I seen her repost, well not repost now I see her posted a video with her dancer Pinky doing the fresh bread or the fresh slice or the fresh bed. You see me, I say, and we all know that Nikki Chromas are the chrome winder, you know what I mean? So this is why me is saying that it look like said the angel of a project adapt and she cause of all type of controversy. You know, put in the comment section what if you think the angel is throwing shades out there, you know what I mean? Pick up yourself, the angel, you know, say, you're my goddess. Well, you know, she was the first lady of dance, so no, she's the goddess, you see what I say. And you know, me don't want that Dolly either, you know. And Dolly let me get too regular out of row, like some commoners and some mattress, you see me, I say. We want a walking trophy, you know, just after walking trophy and send them one. Then let's send them the way, yeah, and let's proceed. Now, Footer Hype is defending a homeless man that was raped by 5 men. You know what I mean? And you know, this is a very touchy topic for Footer Hype because you know that he was once the target of a group of Batman that wanted to, you know, rape him after the dance and all of these things. It's unfortunately that he said it was me that put those voice notes out, but I did not, you know what I mean? And like I said, you know, he's calling out Horace Chang and the rest of the people them that defends gay people, you know what I mean? Because it's obviously it's gay men that raped this homeless man by gunpoint. You see me, I say he did a live about it, but me tell you about the initial article that prompted him to do it. You see me, I say. A homeless man said he is now fearing for his life after he was allegedly held at gunpoint and boogered by 5 men in St. Catherine last Friday. The man, Paul, said that he was sitting along the roadway when an unidentified man traveling a gray motor car pulled up beside him. He said that he asked the man for $1,000 to buy food. He said the man asked about his well-being and shortly thereafter brandished a handgun and ordered him to enter the vehicle. Paul said that the man took him to a dirt track in the parish where he and 4 other men repeatedly assaulted him at gunpoint. He said that the ordeal lasted about an hour. And he is quoted saying, At last night, at the first me get for sleep. I look a bit. But because since it happened, me can hardly sit down and defecate. He said. Paul said the experience has been his most difficult encounter in life. Me no deserve this. Me is a hard-working youth. Not true me look so and upon the streets. I've been homeless since 18 and when me did have to leave the home, me do landscaping, painting and any local thing for help out the people them in the market. Enough things me got through, but this is the worst thing me ever experienced, he said. Retired policewoman Inspector Emily Howard, who has been supporting Paul, said that he called her 2 days after the alleged incident and told her of his ordeal. She said that she immediately took him to the hospital and also ensured that the matter was reported to the police. And she said, this is an heartless act. How can we continue to act like this towards each other in society? The retired cop said that she is hoping to get assistance from the public to help get Paul off the streets. This young man is talented, helpful, and very positive-minded despite all he has been through. I will continue to do the best I can to help him, but I need help. But I would love for anyone out there to help him, she said. And I mean, and the name has been changed to protect the identity. Yeah, like I said, if you haven't seen the full video, you can swing over on the Boom Bye Bye TV channel where we are born on them batty boy and watch the full video, you know. To think that it's Pride Month, I don't want to say that these Aquarian people is acting out because of Pride Month. You see me, I say? Yeah, let's proceed. And now, people, popcorn groupies attacking Mix-Up. Yes, they attacked me in my comment section because I revealed to my followers that Popcorn was digging out Miss Jamaica. You know what I mean? Yes, as you can see the person telling me, but get me thing them right about Mix-Up. Bitch, this is Mix-Up. We don't have to get it right. And I'm not a journalist. I never tell them that. Don't go sleep on the journalist side. Run here, so we chat while Guyana what the people them must say. And the people them was saying, oh, who Popcorn I dig out now? Upon the private jet. You see me, I say. Popcorn said, "Type pussy girl, calm down yourself." And I know he wasn't talking about your groupie ass because you just had enough up yourself in my comment section. You know what I mean? Oh, you know who Popcorn a fuck besides you are ass lad if he might fuck you. You know what I mean? People, this is not the first time Popcorn groupies attacked me. You see me, I say. You know what I mean? Or rushed me because I promoted or did a video on about the girl Popcorn is fucking. You know what I'm saying? The light skin one reached now my DM and I asked me who I pay me for blood clot, whatnot. You see me, I say. And me I talk to other light skin one who, you know, I let me know what I go on and things. You see me, I say. Tight pussy girl, calm down yourself. You will know say Popcorn not talk about you because you're load na ras. You just want to, hey, listen me, a rascal. And then for all of the dirty germs who saying that, oh, I can't believe King don't know who this is Miss Jamaica. Me give a fuck about blood clot Miss Jamaica. I don't care about no damn Miss Jamaicas. You see me, I say, all for Miss Jamaicas me I deal with in a Jamaica. And I mean, that gets my blood clot attention, you see me? And then when I research this Miss Jamaica thing, me come to find out, say, it full up of blood clot mixed breeds. If I know white people are win it, or some Indian people are win it, or one or two speckled or black people are win it. But this the Miss Jamaica thing is some uptown business. You know what I mean? Me know about the ghetto blood clot queen them. The ghetto blood clot queen them of blood clot dancer that made more of an impact in a fairy life than these Miss Jamaicans. You know what I mean? And we are talk about some blood clot black queens like the queen of the pack, Patra. You know what I mean? Lady Saw and them blood clot people that made more impact in our fairy life than any Miss Jamaican. So I don't come near me or rascal. I never say me know who she. Hey, listen. Anyway, people, I'm not long out that review. Any longer, don't forget to swing up on the boom bye bye for listen to Foot a Day with them boy there. You know what I mean? And don't forget to comment, like, share on this thing with you know what I mean, the Angel and the Dolly them and Leon Bailey and you know, all everything that we mentioned on this. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips.